Hey team, nice to have you join us again. Inside this vlog, 89 divided by 89, which equals 1, and 89 divided by 89 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 89 divided by 89 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 89 divided by 89, and we can write this part as 1 over 89 divided by 89. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 89 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 89, which equals 1 over 7,921. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.